No, you get popping. The man,
I appreciate you, man.
You making it? You all
yeah. Thank you, brother.
You got one over there. You got one right here. Oh my God.
Thank you, brother. Thank you. We appreciate it.
On that note, let's kick it off.
Hey, man, this is Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and you see a beautiful Cutlass over here. A beautiful Cutlass. It's still, listen, we still got to work on this car. It still needs some work, needs some love, need to finish some interior work, some paint work needs to be done still. It's in the process. It's still in the building process, but it takes time. Remember, we all know when you custom build cars, this takes time to build cars. We put the 26-inch gold Forgiato. These are real gold plated now, man. A lot of people are doing different stuff in powder and stuff like that. These are plated wheels. Took us some time to make it done right. 26-inch Forgiato plated wheels. She wanted to sit on there right. Here's the biggest thing is, you can put a set of 26-inch rims on anyone's car, but if you're not having the right suspension and the right fabrication done properly by Coast to Coast, then you're not going to be able to drive the car. You're not going to enjoy your car. You can't just put wheels on a car and not enjoy it. You got to drive it, you got to make turns. We did a frame notch inside. We took the frame and we notched it. We pushed it back in further and then reinforced it to allow to make full turns on the vehicle. We changed the shocks, we changed the springs on the car. So it doesn't be all bouncy down the street. You don't want to bounce up and down. You want to drive smooth. It's important that you do all these things to your car to get a really, really, really good drive. People don't understand. Anyone gets to slap wheels on a car, but it takes it to finesse and takes time, and every car is different. Every vehicle is different, every car is different. If you want it done right, go to Coast Customs in Jacksonville or Fort Lauderdale, and we always take care of you, man. And these are staggered. You got 5-inch slips in the back, and you got 3s in the front. Forgiato right now is hot. It's on fire. And these wheels are gorgeous, man. Gorgeous with the chrome accent pieces. You're gonna wait till you see his car is done. Coast to Coast for everything.
Tell me about your suspension staff, man.
Oh man, Coast to Coast Customs team is amazing. Now remember, this team wasn't built overnight. 22 years in business. We wait and we listen, it takes time for someone to understand the fabrication process and to learn the fabrication process. And our team is amazing in Jacksonville and is amazing in Fort Lauderdale. We have the best fabricators in South Florida and up north, man. Check us always out, Coast to Coast Customs. Came in for some small fixing and some small repairs, and he just said, guys, go to town on my car, build my car right. So we're constantly going over the car. Got 28s on the car, so I don't want to change up, man. I don't want 28s no more. I want to go 24-inch all gold staggered D, man. And we're gonna do it. We're gonna build it, even though we shortened the rear end already. We're gonna do it again. We're gonna shorten it again. He's gonna go shorter in. Got his coilovers already on there. The car's gonna be sitting squatted. It's a complete different look than when he came in. He's gonna leave. You're gonna see the finished product, and I'm telling you, this one's the one to watch for, man. It's a really, really, really nice car when we're done with it. Take a lot of work, but it's coming along. All new body bushings in there we did. All new body bushings, all new metal inside the car. Shorten his rear end, coilovers on the car. Going to town, man, going to town. Let's take our time. This is what we wanted to see, guys.
When you want to get something done right, where do you go?
Go to Coast Customs, but you gotta have a little bit of patience with us. A little bit of patience at Coast to Coast. We are busy, we try to take care of everybody. Appreciate you guys, man.